3M FIP one-step installation instructions. No wool, no bull. To start using the 3M FIP one-step, remove the bottom cover from the cartridge. Then remove the top cover of the cartridge by unscrewing it. Take a nozzle and screw it onto the cartridge. Use either the HandyMax or PowerMax dispenser guns to use the 3M FIP one-step. To begin the process, you may put a cardboard backer behind the opening to prevent overflow foam from excessive expansion, but that is not required as part of the FIP one-step process. Initially, drain the FIP one-step into a disposable container until the FIP one-step is a consistent maroon color within the mixing nozzle. Start filling the opening by pressing the trigger on either gun dispenser within 30 seconds of draining the mixture. Start filling from the back bottom of the hole to the front top of the hole. The FIP one-step foam will start expanding quickly in a controlled and consistent manner. You will be able to see the expansion within seconds. When your cartridge runs out, dispose of the cartridge and the nozzle. Replace with a new cartridge and a new nozzle to continue the application. The 3M FIP one-step foam expands like no other rated foam on the market today. The 3M FIP one-step foam does not run or sag out of the opening and is a clean application, as opposed to other foams and compared to messy caulk and mineral wool applications. By using the 3M FIP one-step, you eliminate the need for multiple products and multiple steps, such as when you install mineral wool. The 3M FIP one-step freely expands up to 5 times its original size. When most of the expansion has happened, fill in any openings with more FIP one-step foam to completely fill the hole per your UL systems. As an option, you can trim off excess FIP one-step with a serrated knife. After expansion and a slight cure, the foam will be sponge-like and will cut through easily. An added benefit of trimming excess foam is that you can use the pieces to fill in other openings you are fire stopping. Ultimately, you are saving in the amount of product that you need. The 3M FIP one-step is a solution for a broad range of openings encountered by electrical, plumbing, and other trades that require a rated UL system. The more complex the opening, the greater the potential for savings. Another benefit of the 3M FIP one-step is that you can re-enter very easily after the foam is cured. If you have additional cables or pipes that need to run through an opening that is already fire-stopped with 3M FIP one-step, you can just take a serrated knife and cut out a hole the size of the opening you need for your new cable or pipe. The foam is a spongy material that cuts through very easily. Once you re-enter with your cables or pipes, take the 3M FIP one-step and dispense the foam to fill in any gaps from the re-enter. If you are fire stopping an opening that you can't reach with one nozzle, just take a second nozzle from the box of 3M FIP one-step and use a screwdriver to pop out the insert from the nozzle. Take the nozzle without the mixer and place it onto the original nozzle to make a larger extension. You can add as many nozzles as needed to reach your application and continue your fire stopping the same as you did with one single nozzle. You can also use 1/2-inch PEX tubing or something similar to add to your nozzle if you prefer to reach the hard-to-get areas. Remember to let your 3M FIP one-step mix thoroughly to a consistent maroon color before putting it into the opening. The 3M FIP one-step works exceptionally well on a variety of openings, including in floor applications. The foam does not drip or sag out of the opening and makes a traditionally difficult fire stop application faster and easier with little to no mess. Remember to apply the foam from the bottom of the opening to the top, letting the foam expand consistently. Continue to apply the FIP one-step until the hole is completely filled. When you are finished with your FIP one-step cartridge, drain the contents into a disposable container before throwing away. You can also skim off the top and throw away or reuse it on your next application. The 3M FIP one-step was designed to be a rated fire stop solution that is UL tested and listed and meets the intent of the International Building Code. The 3M FIP one-step foam makes fire stopping easier to apply with less mess and more peace of mind that you have protected that opening from a potential fire.
Well, what I hate worst about doing fire stop is the awkwardness of it.
It's not a very clean process. It's messy. You get it all over the place. Hands down, I would use this over anything that I've used before.
The more things you have to have on you, the more apt you are to drop them off the ladder. Just having the gun and a tube and going up there simplifies this process 60 to 80%.
To order one product to get the end result that's optimal. That's what we're looking for.
I mean, in the big picture, if everybody was using it, it would save so many labor hours.
Pretty straightforward. Put it in there, pull the trigger, and go.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it out there. I think the market's ready for this product. This is the next step.